Hi lovely creatives, it's Dee here. Procreate has recently released the 5.4 update, and today I'm going to walk you through what's new, why it's helpful, and how you as a beginner can actually use these features without getting overwhelmed. Procreate often adds amazing tools, but all the jargon about brush engines and settings can feel intimidating. So in this video, I'm going to break it down in simple, clear steps. And at the end, I'll also share a free Procreate backup cheat sheet that you can grab from the link below, so you never lose your brushes, palettes, or artworks when updates roll out. Now, Procreate 5.4 might look like a technical update, but really it's about making your creative life easier. You'll now be able to organize your brushes into clear libraries, search for brushes by name, try out new brushes in the right way, use a color history panel so you don't lose track of colors you've used, and even back up brushes and sync them through the Files app. So instead of feeling lost in menus, you'll spend more time actually drawing. Let's open up the brush panel. In 5.4, Procreate introduces brush libraries. You'll see two main ones: the Procreate library, which includes all the brand new brushes, and your Classic library, which holds all your older and custom brushes. This keeps things tidy. You can even create new libraries for yourself if you like to keep brushes grouped by theme. Another big improvement is brush search. Swipe down in the brush panel and type something like watercolor, and instantly Procreate pulls up the right set. No more scrolling endlessly to find the one brush you love. Procreate has also added a huge range of new brushes, 180 of them across 18 brush sets. You'll find new watercolors, inks, and textures to experiment with. And in Brush Studio, you'll notice new settings like spacing jitter, roundness jitter, and dynamics. These give brushes a more natural, organic feel without you having to build up anything from scratch. For beginners, the tip here is simple. Don't feel you need to touch every setting. Just play with one or two sliders and see how it changes the brush. It's really about gentle exploration, not technical overwhelm. One of my favorite parts of this update is that brushes are now stored in the Files app. That means they're easier to back up, move around, and even sync with iCloud. For beginners, this is a lifesaver. If you ever worry about losing your brushes, you can now back them up just like any other file. Let's talk about color. The Colors panel has been cleaned up and feels more stable. The big highlight is color history. Even if you're on a smaller iPad, you'll now see a history of the colors you've recently used. So, if you lose track of that perfect shade, you can easily grab it again. You can also choose whether to show your color history or your active palette, depending on your workflow. Number 1, back up your brushes before playing with new ones. Number 2, use the brush search bar whenever you can. It's a huge time saver. Number 3, try a couple of new brushes and see how they feel. Pick one favorite and use it in a small sketch. Number 4, in Brush Studio, experiment with just one setting at a time. And number 5, make use of the new color history to stay consistent in your work. Now, before you update or dive into these new features, don't forget to grab my Procreate backup cheat sheet. It walks you through exactly how to back up your brushes, palettes, and artwork so you never lose them during updates. The link for this freebie is in the description below. And if you'd like more ready-made creative resources like exclusive Procreate palettes, templates, and brushes, those are available for my Patreon members. You'll find the link below as well. So that's the Procreate 5.4 update explained for beginners. New brushes, better organization, search, color history, and safer backups. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. And let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited to try. Thanks for joining me and happy creating.